Okay, this is leaf green with a tiny bit of avocado green in here. And then I'm just going to use this pasta cutter to cut some of these palm fronds out. There's one. Okay, what I want to do is take some wire, this is the same gauge that we had before, the 20 gauge, and insert it in the center. Try to get it as high up there as possible. Okay, if it does this in the back, just kind of pinch it together. So I just kind of want to bend this wire a little bit, so it's going to end up bending back. And this is something that you could do ahead of time and let them dry. What we'll end up doing is we'll take some of this moss green and kind of dust it over with that and some of the super green. Take some of the cocoa around the edges. Okay, so the idea is that we get a bunch of these together, and then we're going to floral tape them together and then tape them to the top of the skewer here. Okay, so I'm just going to continue making a few more of these. Okay, so I'm going to take some floral tape and tape some of these bigger ones here together. So I'll tape these two together like this. Looks like the wire's coming out there. I can adjust the wire later. Okay, so there's like two of them there, and let's just put this other long one here. And see, these are going to be on here, so I'm going to need to tape that about there. So I'll cut it about here. Get a little bit more tape. So you can stick it in there actually a little bit. Kind of hide that skewer behind there. And we'll just tape it a little bit just so it's together, and then we're going to add more around that. I could probably actually push that whole thing in further. Okay. All right, then some of these other ones we can take and cut some of this wire off and then insert. And you can cover that with floral tape too if you want. That doesn't look too good there with that wire coming out. So we'll do it this way. Kind of get back on that wire, kind of pinching it.